I guess the oil truck is blocking up the whole street. So I just get to chill down here. Well, how is everyone doing today? Last time I rode my bike, it was all rainy and miserable. I'm gonna go up to the light. Fuck it. It's rainy and miserable. And today is pretty good. I think it's like 60 degrees right now. This looks different here. It looks more open. Like they cleaned up in here or something. Well, here we go. Another vlog. I think this will be episode 24. So we're almost at a quarter century, and it's been a blast doing these vlogs with you guys. So I think it was Saturday, they opened a new bridge that would take you from the Bronx to Randall's Island, and it takes you to the island under the Amtrak train. So I'm interested in checking that out, you know, just see what that's all about. I rode with some ladies from Black Girls Do Bike. Really nice ride. If you haven't seen the video, link in the description or somewhere here, I'll post it, I guess. It's really nice to see, you know, women come together and have a good atmosphere of cycling, you know, like non-competitive cycling. Just pretty much take out your bikes once a month, at least once a month with them, and go on a nice bike ride. And I think that's really fun, that's really cool, and I hope it grows. And Black Girls Do Bike isn't just in New York City. There are different chapters throughout the country, and I think they'll go international very soon, somewhere in West Africa. So that's really cool. So the vlog that I'm posting, and in the link, you know, it was family day, so men were invited to come along, and it was fun. You don't have to be black to partake in Black Girls Do Bike. It's just that the founder felt that not enough black women were cycling. So it's really to push black women to be part of this nice group. But pretty much any woman, any color, any age can keep up or can ride. Hopefully could keep up. Could ride with the group and have a nice time, you know? Oh, this intersection is so tricky. Oh, not today. That's pretty easy. My shirt is not tucked in. I hate that. It's kind of hot. What's the temperature? 64 degrees? Oh man, I should have worn my shorts today. It's baking out here today. Ooh, almost took his dumb ass out. This road is like the worst road ever. Too much shit going on at once. Well, that was pretty juicy. They put new paint on the streets. That's nice. A new road would be nice too. That's cool. Just go through the red light. Oh shit. What the fuck, man? You wait for me to get here, then you go. What a dickhead. Always that bullshit. The whole thing is clear the whole time, then you wait for someone to get there, then you want to go. What kind of sense does that make? Stupid. The GPS is not working for some reason. It's not telling me to turn right. Look at the sign for. This is crazy. What is this sign for? Don't tell me new sneakers coming out. Oh, yo, yo! Go ahead. I wasn't gonna run you over. First day on a Chinese scooter, I guess. Yeah, that's good. It stinks. You fell asleep at the light, I guess. All right, so we're coming up on that bridge. Roughly about 132nd by the Amtrak train route. All right, turn left. The South Bronx Connector. Excellent choice. All right, guys, welcome to the South Bronx Connector. This is your alternate route. Instead of taking the Triborough Bridge, to be honest, I'm not gonna hate on it. You know, it's cool, but I don't think the Triborough Bridge was horrible. I don't think it was the best. It's clearly like an aftermarket add-on in a way, but I think if we had one of these for the Randall Island to Queens, it'll be a lot better. But it looks cool. Okay, now we're going over the water. Okay. And now we're on Randall's Island, that's it. This is a lot quicker than the Triborough, I'll give it that. Triborough, you gotta come way over there, come down that ramp, and then you meet up over here. All right, that's pretty decent actually. It's a seamless. I don't know if he's taking pics of me or of himself, but pretty much a seamless approach from the Bronx to Randall's. If they could build one of these from Randall's to Queens, that would be perfect. Because Randall's to Queens, you got those stairs. I think it's like 3 steps. I mean, that's just ridiculous. From Bronx to Randall's on the Triborough, it wasn't that bad. It was just really loud up there. You had to climb a lot, you had to descend a lot. And for a new cyclist, that could seem pretty daunting. So I will say this will promote people to bike here more. This will promote people to bike period more, which is good. But, you know, de Blasio, Diaz Jr., whoever's in charge of this, build one from Randall's Island to Queens. That would be really great. It smells horrible here. Still on Randall's Island here, so this is the part that I'm talking about. If they could build something instead of going all the way up here and then getting over there, or actually right here and dealing with steps, getting over there and dealing with steps, and then when you're actually in Queens dealing with steps, if they could build something pretty low right there, you know, that would be pretty cool. Queens right here, Manhattan behind us. See, right here, make a little bridge right here. Make a little bridge right here so that I don't have to climb up this thing. Just a little one right there. All right, guys, you've heard me complain and critique New York City infrastructure for long enough, so I'm gonna ride around for a bit more. Talk to you later. Bye.